felt like life slammed a door in your face? Well, what if I told you that door might just be your express ticket to something incredible? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of turning rejection into a superpower, inspired by the legendary Marcus Aurelius using reverse psychology. Picture a world where every no isn't a roadblock but a launch pad to greatness. Rejection stings, but it can be your key to success. Forget about outsmarting fate. It's about realizing that a no might just be the universe saying, "Hold on, there's something better for you." Feeling underestimated or ignored? It's time to rewrite that narrative. In this video, we're unraveling 12 game-changing lessons rooted in Stoic wisdom. These are not just theories, but practical strategies you can use in your everyday life. So, are you ready to transform rejections into your greatest victories? Let's explore them together.
Lesson 1. Stay calm, not crushed. Rejection hurts, and it's tempting to let emotions take the wheel. But here's a secret from the Stoic playbook. Embrace calmness. Instead of reacting emotionally, take a composed, thoughtful approach. It's not about burying your feelings. It's about not letting them control you. When ignored, don't let frustration or sadness drive your actions. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our responses, not on others' behavior. Stay polite, stay kind. If you reach out, do it with genuine concern, not expectation. The power is in how you respond, not in how others treat you. Mastering calmness isn't easy, but it's transformative. You're not just handling a tough situation, you're growing. Learn that inner peace doesn't rely on external approval. It's a journey towards self-confidence. By valuing yourself independently, you radiate strength and resilience. People are drawn to those who stay strong in the face of indifference. Stay calm, not just coping, but thriving, turning rejection into a stepping stone for personal growth, the Stoic way.
Lesson 2. Ignore them too. When life serves you the cold shoulder, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty, it's a powerful statement of self-worth. Imagine someone decides you're not worth their time, their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, "I am worth more." It's like turning a mirror towards them, silently reflecting their behavior, showing you're unaffected. Without bitterness, focus on your life, goals, and happiness. Dive into activities that enrich you, reading, sports, learning, or enjoying the company of those who value you. Reclaim your energy where it matters. Instead of dwelling in pain, use rejection as a catalyst for growth. Build a fortress of self-respect, letting their indifference bounce off. Thrive despite rejection, a testament to your inner strength. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Stay true to yourself, letting actions speak louder than their silence. Lesson 3. Free your mind from rejection. When faced with rejection, mastering the art of detachment becomes a powerful tool in your arsenal. It's not about pretending the rejection didn't sting, but channeling that experience into something transformative. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Imagine yourself as a skilled sailor navigating rough seas. Use the waves to steer you forward, not capsize your boat. To detach, shift your perspective. Picture rejection not as a roadblock, but as a detour sign guiding you to new paths and possibilities. Engage in activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Whether it's diving into a thought-provoking book, testing your limits in a sport, or volunteering in a community project, each experience is a stepping stone to self-discovery and growth. Cultivate a circle of positivity by surrounding yourself with uplifting and inspiring people. Share aspirations, listen to theirs, and create an environment where mutual growth thrives. Remember, rejection is not a measure of your worth. It's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. As you navigate this journey, what seemed like a painful rejection becomes a nudge toward a more fulfilling path. Lesson 4. Showcase your worth. Rejection may sting, but it's also a test of your toughness. Instead of feeling down, see it as a chance to show your resilience. When sidestepped or overlooked, take a breath and turn that disappointment into constructive action. Work on a project that highlights your skills or lead a new initiative. Your value isn't lessened by others' oversight. It's an opportunity to shine even brighter. Remember the saying, when one door closes, another opens. It's not just talk, it's a plan. Rejection isn't saying you're not worthy. It's guiding you to where you're needed more. If passed over for a role, maybe it's the universe nudging you towards something aligning better with your talents. Use this as a chance to reassess your strengths and pivot toward success. Embrace the ups and downs, practicing Stoicism by focusing on what you can control, your actions and reactions. Grow from these experiences and, like a phoenix, rise stronger and wiser. Rejection isn't the end, it's a twist pushing you toward becoming your most authentic, resilient self. Face it with wisdom and vitality, transforming fear into your greatest ally in personal growth and success. Lesson 5. Cut off contact. Silence isn't just the absence of sound, it's a potent tool in your emotional toolkit, especially when faced with rejection. Imagine being ignored or turned down. Your instinct may push you to fix it, to reach out desperately. But here's the twist. Embrace silence. It's not about playing games. It's about reclaiming your power. Choosing not to react, not bombarding with messages, is a step back, a moment to recalibrate. This silence isn't passive, it's active and strategic. It's a time to refocus on your goals, passions, and life, a reset button providing clarity and strength. This period of no contact isn't cold, it's a boundary for mental peace. It says, I respect myself too much to chase or beg. In a world craving instant responses, your silence becomes intriguing and attractive, showcasing resilience. It's not about making them regret, it's about showing you're solid and centered. While it may not change their behavior, it transforms yours, making you stronger, more centered, and gracefully ready for whatever comes next. Lesson 6. Prove yourself. The art of handling rejection isn't just about proving others wrong. It's about showing yourself what you're truly capable of. Take a moment when someone doubts your skills. It's not about seeking their approval, but surpassing your own limits. Dive into learning, practice relentlessly, and surprise yourself with a level of proficiency you didn't know you had. This isn't a grand announcement to the doubters. It's quietly building a fortress of competence and self-assurance. Imagine the impact of your actions. No need for words. Let your results speak. If labeled uncreative, embark on a project showcasing your creativity. This silent revolution of self-improvement isn't against others' perceptions, but a personal crusade for excellence. The true essence lies in transforming your self-image. This journey not only surprises others, but redefines your understanding of your capabilities. It's not just about proving them wrong, it's about redefining what right means to you. In this journey, the greatest victory is realizing that the only validation that truly matters is the one you give yourself. Lesson 7. Embrace joy beyond rejection. Life's true essence shines brightest when we step outside our comfort zones. Embracing joy isn't just about having fun, it's a strategic move to build resilience when faced with rejection. Instead of withdrawing and stewing in the sourness of rejection, counter that instinct by deliberately seeking out joy. This isn't about ignoring your feelings, it's about giving them a new playground. Explore a new hobby, revisit an old passion, or share moments with friends. In your journey to leverage rejection, remember the value of your tribe. Invite friends for a hike, join a community art project, or simply share a meal. These moments of connection uplift your spirits and reaffirm your place in the tapestry of human interaction. Step into the unknown. Rejection may feel like a closed door, but in reality, it opens many more. Try new cuisines, explore unfamiliar neighborhoods, or attend workshops on topics foreign to you. These experiences are not just distractions, they're opportunities for growth. Remember, the goal isn't to forget rejection, but to grow from it, turning every no into a stepping stone towards a richer, more vibrant life. Lesson 8. Elevate your social presence. Imagine being in a room, feeling ignored, almost invisible. In these moments of rejection, Stoicism teaches us to uncover hidden opportunities for personal growth. Instead of seeking validation, focus on self-enhancement and community involvement. It's not about climbing a social ladder, but ascending your own ladder of self-development. Engage in activities like fitness, explore hobbies, and advance in your career, not just as tasks, but as tools to carve out a stronger, more resilient self. Share your journey, not for applause, but for connection. When discussing your interests, let it be a bridge to find like-minded souls. Through volunteering and networking, you're not just adding lines to your resume, you're weaving a tapestry of meaningful relationships. Rooted in Stoic philosophy, this approach emphasizes that personal growth and contributing to the greater good go hand in hand. The intention is crucial. It's not a quest for popularity, but a journey toward becoming a better version of yourself. Each step you take should be a stride towards improvement, creating a ripple effect that enhances the community. This Stoic mindset is a powerful tool for turning the tide of rejection into a positive wave of transformation in the modern world. Lesson 9. Act as if they don't exist. When someone chooses to ignore you, sometimes the strongest response is a quiet one. It's not about being mean, it's about keeping your peace. If they overlook you, let them. Don't waste your energy trying to grab their attention. Instead, shift your focus to someone who values your company. In social settings like parties, engage with those who appreciate you. In unavoidable interactions, maintain professionalism. Keep conversations short, simple, and business-focused. This isn't about showing off, it's about showing up for yourself. By avoiding unnecessary drama, you stay focused on what's essential. If the disregard continues, embrace the power of walking away. It's not giving up, it's a strategic retreat. Invest your energy where it matters, in relationships and pursuits that bring you joy and growth. By choosing not to engage in a one-sided struggle, you're not just moving past a person, you're moving toward better opportunities, healthier interactions, and a more peaceful state of mind. Your response to indifference isn't defeat. It's a sign of your strength and self-respect. Lesson 10. Embrace the power of silence. Choosing silence when faced with indifference isn't about gaining the upper hand. It's about holding onto your dignity. In the world of Stoicism, silence becomes a tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery, not a weapon for provocation or manipulation. When someone ignores you and you respond with silence, let that quiet be a time for introspection. Use this silence as an opportunity to understand your feelings, sort through your thoughts, and find clarity. It's not about punishing the other person, it's about preserving your inner peace. Stoicism guides us to reflect on our virtues, values, and how we want to engage with the world during these moments of quiet. This kind of silence is constructive, not destructive. So if you choose to remain silent, make it a conscious choice rooted in self-care and wisdom. It's a decision to rise above behaviors like manipulation or revenge. Instead, it aligns with Stoic principles, emphasizing temperance, self-control, and attuning to the practice of maintaining composure, focusing on your personal journey, and embodying serenity in the face of adversity. Lesson 11. Anchor in self-worth. In the face of indifference, don't beg for attention. The Stoic way is to anchor yourself in self-worth and independence. When someone ignores you, it's not a signal to perform for their gaze. It's a chance to turn inward and reaffirm your own value. Stoicism teaches us that self-esteem shouldn't swing with others' attention. It's about standing firm in your self-regard. Engage in your passions with a heart full of self-sufficiency. It's not about showing off, it's about recognizing what you bring to the table. Indulge in activities that fulfill you, connect with appreciative people, and cultivate a life that makes you proud. Rather than chasing fleeting attention, invest in yourself. Let your confidence be a byproduct of personal growth, not a show for an audience. This Stoic approach isn't just about dealing with rejection, it's transcending it by focusing on what truly matters, your journey of growth and fulfillment. Turn rejection into an opportunity to strengthen your resolve and deepen your understanding of self-worth. Lesson 12. Don't reveal your struggle. When someone ignores you, the urge to reveal your struggle can be strong. But in the spirit of Stoicism, we learn the art of keeping our composure. It's not about pretending everything is okay. It's about inner resilience. Showing you're unaffected isn't an act, it's a display of true inner stability. Carry on with your life, the same vigor as before. This isn't a show for others, it's a testament to your own strength. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them steer your ship. Let calmness and self-assurance guide you. By confidently continuing your life, you're not just revealing strength to others, you're reminding yourself of it. It's a subtle, yet powerful way to assert that your self-worth is independent of others' opinions or actions. Not revealing your struggle embraces the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. It's not about hiding emotions. It's about managing them with dignity and self-respect, a demonstration of wisdom and integrity. Your response to rejection isn't just for the world, it's a mirror reflecting your fortitude and stability. As we wrap up this journey, remember to apply these Stoic principles to transform rejection into resilience. Rise above, stay composed, and anchor yourself in self-worth. If you found these insights valuable, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. May your path be filled with growth, resilience, and the triumph of self-discovery. Your support fuels our mission, so hit like, subscribe, and let's continue this transformative journey together.